It's day 94 for my bulk. Let's check the weight. 214.8 pounds. I am wearing some thick sweatpants and a hoodie and a shirt. So I probably weigh like maybe 212 pounds. Did some Uber last night, just to make some extra cash. I'll probably do some more tonight, tomorrow, and Sunday too. I don't really got all that much to do, so might as well make some extra cash. Not really all that hungry. Right now I should eat something. I did buy a dozen of eggs from Aldi. I know it's pretty cheap too. It's like $1.50. That's super cheap. I don't know what to eat now because I kind of want to go to the gym in an hour or two. I might eat a protein bar now. Make some YouTube shorts because I'm a bit behind on those. And eat my pre-workout meal in about like 30 minutes. Yeah, that's a good idea. It's 9:53. I got the first meal. Some delicious chicken spaghetti that my mom made and a cup of orange juice. It's gonna be delicious.
Look at this little baby. Look at this little baby. Look how chill she is. Yo, she is straight up chilling. It's a bit windy outside. When I woke up, she was sleeping right next to me. She only does that when it's raining. It's 10:48. I'll eat my pre-workout snack in like 10 minutes. I'll take some pre-workout too.
Look at the cat. She's like nibbling me. Look at that. Oh, look at that. What? Well, anyway, it's 10:56. I'm about to eat some dark chocolate that I got from Aldi. And this is all I'm gonna take for energy. Bro, what? Yo, you good? Made 1 pound of 93% lean beef, and I'm gonna eat 5 dates. Pretty chill day. Super chill. Check that out. It's currently 8:55, and I got a banger of a next meal. Boom! Check that out. I got 6 eggs, 5 dates, and a protein smoothie. I've been doing Uber for the past like 5 hours. Probably chill for a bit and go back out and then do a few more rides. I don't really got much else to do, so I'm just gonna grind and stack bread, as much bread as I can. Yeah, so I'll eat this and I'll either eat a snack or I'll just do rides and then go to bed. So I'll either catch you guys when I eat something else or I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Look at this little puppy. Who? What could that be? I'm gonna take a few bites of this Haagen-Dazs cherry ice cream. It's delicious. Dog is straight up chilling right now. Right there, you're so cute. We got dog here. We got the cat right there. Psst, 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 psst. Yeah, she is slumped. Got that on the TV, some delicious chicken wings. Man, I could go for some chicken wings right now. Wow, I got fat. Check out my side profile. Oh my gosh. Wow. Anyway, I'll take a few bites of this ice cream and go to bed. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.